Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We love to see innovation, and it's fun to see what Panasonic has done in creating a new type of camera designed for everything from live streaming to drone videography. The Lumix BGH1 is a box-style camera featuring a micro Four Thirds sensor and interchangeable lenses, but is designed strictly for videography. Panasonic's Matt Frazer says it's small and light, but powerful.
So this is a professional-grade camera with cinema-quality images, but it also has lots of production capabilities. The camera includes a port that's probably new to some of your listeners called an SDI port. SDI is an industry-standard connector for transmitting video for broadcast, live event, and production work.
It's a dream for those who stream. The Lumix BGH1 will arrive next month for about $2,000. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.